very first year that Milligan Engineering started, okay? All we had was freshmen here in engineering. We came upon this organization that converts Walmart Jeeps into a Jeep that can be, instead of driven by a steering wheel and a gas pedal and a gear shifter, it's driven by a joystick, right? So that a child that has some special needs, right, is able to play. It's incredibly important to us. So important that we have redesigned the whole thing, right? We have come up with a Milligan engineering design that beats everybody. Boy, it's a heavy engineering project. There's lots of problems to be solved, lots of real engineering, lots of mechatronics, lots of machine and controls and sensors, kinds of things going on, which immerses our students in what do engineers really do? How do they really do it? What kinds of things could I see myself doing, right, as an engineer out in the real world? The best learning comes from finals day. The final exam for this class is show up at your exam time and give your car away to a kid with special needs. Get it fitted, right? Get it to where the kid's comfortable in it. Get it to where the kid can play. And when our students have worked so hard all through the semester to convert these vehicles, to make them work, to get everything solved and workable, and they put all this effort and energy in there, and they see a child with muscular dystrophy, right, get set in the seat of that car and grab that joystick and throw it in reverse. They always throw it in reverse first, right? Throw it in reverse and chase people around the room with smiles on their faces.
It was really cool to see something I had built then be used by someone who needed it. And some of these kids, it's like this is the first time they wanted to go somewhere and they could just push a button and go there, rather than having to be carried there or somebody help them with that, which is really cool to see. That it's like, wow, and this wouldn't be possible without someone who had engineering skills.
That's where the most learning happens. That is where the connection is made. I can learn lots of cool stuff, lots of useful, interesting stuff, and I can bring it to bear to make the world a better place.